Imagine spending a full week off the grid, running your air conditioning and induction stove in the middle of a remote mountain range, all without ever plugging into shore power or hearing the drone of a generator. The 2026 Winnebago Revel 44E has officially arrived, and it is a total rethink of what an adventure van can do, featuring a massive 16.8 kWh lithium system that makes traditional camper vans look like they're still stuck in the 90s. This isn't just a minor facelift. Winnebago has transitioned the Revel to the updated Mercedes-Benz AWD platform, creating a beast designed specifically for serious backcountry enthusiasts who refuse to sacrifice modern luxury while exploring the most rugged corners of the map. The exterior of the 2026 Revel 44E screams rugged capability. Built on the 144-inch wheelbase Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis that measures 19.7 in length and 10 meters in height, you'll immediately notice the updated front fascia, which can be upgraded with the high trail package, adding a premium vertical bar grille and blackout accents that give it a much more aggressive stance. Standard equipment now includes rugged 17-inch alloy wheels wrapped in BF Goodrich all-terrain TAKO2 tires, and the ride height provides nearly 10 inches of ground clearance to clear rocks and ruts with ease. Functional exterior features are everywhere, from the new larger Summit roof rack with an integrated LED light bar pumping out over 20,000 lumens, to the tubular aluminum running boards that feature ground effect lighting, and even an integrated pet leash attachment loop for your furry co-pilot. Stepping inside through the manual sliding door, protected by a full-height magnetic screen, you're met with a layout that prioritizes flow and gear-first living. The 44E floor plan has been refined to maximize every inch, featuring a forward-facing lounge that doubles as a dining area and a streamlined galley that stays out of your way when you're moving gear. The floor is covered in heavy-duty vinyl that's ready for muddy boots, and the use of 3M Thinsulate insulation throughout the walls and ceiling has improved thermal retention by 16%, making the interior feel like a quiet, temperature-controlled sanctuary regardless of what's happening outside. The sleeping quarters in the Revel are defined by the signature power lift bed, which has been upgraded for 2026 with a quieter, more robust motor system. The bed measures approximately 49 x 79 and features Wind Sleep technology, which combines a high-density foam mattress with a suspension system that allows for airflow and superior pressure relief. During the day, the bed stays tucked against the ceiling, but when it's time to crash, it lowers at the touch of a button, providing a cozy, queen-sized sleeping area for two. On either side of the bed, Winnebago has integrated molded pockets with zip storage and dedicated reading lights with USB-C ports, ensuring you have everything you need within arm's reach before you drift off. Cooking in the backcountry has never been more flexible thanks to the Revel's redesigned Galley, which features a portable single-burner induction cooktop that can be used on the laminate countertop or taken outside to the flip-down exterior table. The kitchen includes a stainless steel sink with a folding glass cover and a high-rise faucet with a pull-out sprayer, perfect for washing veggies or rinsing off gear. Storage is handled by a series of drawers with positive lock latches and soft close mechanisms, including a dedicated drawer for the cooktop and a counter extension that provides extra prep space when you're really getting creative with dinner. For cold storage, there is a 3.0Q FT12V5 compressor-driven refrigerator freezer that is remarkably efficient and stays cold even on the hottest desert days. The 44E features a compact but highly functional wet bath measuring 31x26, which has been updated with a new bifold door design and a privacy panel extension that can act as a room divider. Inside, you'll find a swiveling cassette toilet with a 5-gallon capacity, allowing you to empty the waste at a standard restroom or dump station without needing a dedicated black water hose. The shower setup includes a flexible shower head and a powered roof vent to quickly exhaust steam. And when you aren't using the room for hygiene, it serves as a wet locker with a removable clothes rod and collapsible storage containers for drying out wet gear. Storage is where the Revel truly earns its adventure van title, specifically in the gear garage located beneath the power lift bed. This area features a heavy-duty floor with strategically placed L-track tie-down points, allowing you to secure mountain bikes, storage bins, or even a small motorcycle with total confidence. Inside the cabin, overhead cabinets use lightweight, one-piece welded construction for maximum durability on washboard roads. And there is even additional below-floor storage in the lounge area for items you don't need to access every day. The heart of the 2026 Revel is the Winnebago Power Max system, which comes standard with an 8.4 kWh Lithionics lithium-ion battery. This system is managed by the Winnebago X EcoFlow Power Hub Pro, a 5-in-1 controller that includes a massive 3,600-watt pure sine wave inverter, meaning you can run the AC and the induction stove simultaneously without breaking a sweat. For those who want the ultimate off-grid endurance, you can opt for a second battery to reach a total of 16.8 kWh. Charging is handled by a high-output dual alternator system that can recharge a single battery in about an hour of driving, supplemented by 210 watts of solar on the roof, which can be expanded up to 1,600 watts via portable plug-ins. The water system is built for 4-season use, featuring a 35-gallon fresh water tank and a 21-gallon gray water tank, both of which are located inside the heated envelope of the van to prevent freezing in alpine conditions. The water is heated by the Timberline hydronic system, providing continuous hot water on demand for the shower and sink. All of your water management controls, including the winterization valves and city water connections, are conveniently located in the rear door service center for easy access. Driving the 2026 Revel is a significantly upgraded experience thanks to the Mercedes-Benz AWD Sprinter chassis and the new 2.0L high-output twin-turbo diesel 4-cylinder engine. This powertrain delivers 201 horsepower and 332 lb-ft of torque, paired with a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission that offers much better gear spacing than the older V6 models. The on-demand all-wheel drive system automatically manages torque distribution between the front and rear axles, providing confident traction in snow, mud, and sand, without the driver needing to manually engage heavy 4x4 gears. The cockpit is pure Mercedes-Benz luxury, featuring the MBUX infotainment system with a 10-inch touchscreen, navigation, and Hey Mercedes voice control. Safety is prioritized with a full suite of driver assist technologies, including Distronic Plus adaptive cruise control, active lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree surround view camera that is indispensable when navigating tight trails or backing into a narrow campsite. You also get a digital rear-view mirror, which provides a clear view of the road behind you even when the gear garage is packed to the ceiling with equipment. Regardless of the season, the Revel remains comfortable thanks to the Timberline 2.0 hydronic heating system, which uses the van's diesel fuel to provide quiet, efficient cabin heat and hot water. For summer adventures, the optional 13500 BTU rooftop air conditioner can be powered directly off the lithium batteries via the EcoFlow hub, allowing for silent cooling during a midday nap. The windows are tinted dual-pane acrylic Euro-style units that swing out to provide ventilation even during a rainstorm, and they include integrated cassette shades and bug screens for total privacy and protection. The Revel 44E is arguably the most boondocking-ready mass-produced van on the market today. Its combination of 35 gallons of fresh water, a cassette toilet that eliminates the need for traditional dump stations, and the massive lithium power capacity means you can realistically stay away from civilization for 5 to 7 days at a time. The inclusion of the ThermaScreen freeze zone partition also allows you to isolate the bedroom from the front of the van, focusing your heating or cooling exactly where you need it most, while you're parked in extreme environments. The strengths of the 2026 Revel 44E are clear. It offers industry-leading power capacity, a highly capable AWD powertrain, and a build quality that is specifically engineered for off-road durability. However, the compact 19-foot length, while great for maneuverability, means the interior can feel cramped for more than 2 people. And the cassette toilet requires frequent emptying if you're using it as your primary restroom. Additionally, while the power lift bed is a genius use of space, it does require you to clear your gear out of the garage area if you want to lower the bed all the way to its lowest comfortable position. According to the official manufacturer information, the 2026 Winnebago Revel 44E has a starting MSRP of $261,808. This price includes the standard 8.4 kilowatt Power Max system and the AWD Mercedes chassis. While this is a significant investment, the value lies in the turnkey nature of the build. You are getting a fully warranted, highly engineered off-road machine that would cost significantly more to build custom with these specific high-end components. This price makes the most sense for serious adventure travelers who plan to spend 50-plus nights a year off-grid and want the peace of mind that comes with Winnebago's extensive dealer and service network. If you are an active couple or a solo traveler looking for the most capable, tech-forward adventure van available from a major manufacturer, the 2026 Winnebago Revel 44E is the gold standard. It successfully blends the rugged, go-anywhere attitude of a 4x4 with the sophisticated stay-anywhere power of a high-end lithium system. However, if you mostly stay at developed campgrounds with hookups, you are paying for a lot of off-grid technology you simply won't use. My final recommendation: buy the Revel if your idea of a perfect weekend involves a trailhead that most cars can't reach. And skip it if you prioritize interior living space over raw off-road capability. Thanks for joining me for this deep dive into the 2026 Winnebago Revel 44E. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more honest, factory-accurate RV reviews. I want to hear from you. Does the new AWD system and massive battery make this the ultimate van, or is the $260K price tag too much to swallow? Drop a comment below and let's get the conversation started. I'll see you in the next one.